In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Excel file via OneDrive. We'll start on the OneDrive homepage, open your files, pick the Excel workbook you want to share, set the right permissions, and then copy a shareable link. First, open your web browser and go to OneDrive's homepage. Sign into your Microsoft account if you're prompted. Once you're in, focus on the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. Click My Files on that left panel to see your folders and documents. This view lists all of your content in OneDrive. If you organize by folders, you can drill down as needed. Now scroll through until you find the Excel file you want to share. Excel workbooks typically have the .xlsx extension, and you'll see an Excel icon next to them. If you have a lot of files, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it by name. When you found the right workbook, right-click it to open the context menu. On touch, long press to open it. From that menu, choose Share. This opens OneDrive's sharing window, where you control who can access the file and what they can do with it. In the sharing window, click Settings. This is where you fine-tune link options, such as who the link works for and the level of access. For collaborative work, make sure the permission is set to Can Edit. That setting allows people with the link to open the file and make changes directly in Excel for the web or the desktop app. If you only want others to review without changing anything, you could switch to View Only, but for this walkthrough, we're enabling editing. Clicking Apply to save those permission choices. Those settings are now saved. Finally, click Copy Link. OneDrive generates a shareable link with the edit access you selected and copies it to your clipboard. You can paste this link into email, chat, or a project tracker. Tip: before sending, confirm the audience setting matches who should have access. And that's it. You went to OneDrive, opened My Files, located your Excel workbook, set it to Can Edit, applied the changes, and copied a ready-to-share link.